Entrepreneurship and business studies as a subject itself are quite unconventional and unorthodox. It requires knowledge of the present world and the current economy. The world is growing by leaps and bounds day by day. And due to the introduction of globalization in India, India also plays a very important part in the world economy now. As India is the largest democracy and the second largest economy of the world, it is about sustaining in the market with all the possible resources you have just to fulfill your belief that you are an important part of the world and your idea is important for the world to grow. The subject inculcates in it the qualities like invention, innovation, aspiration, marketing, planning, etc. It seeds the qualities of leadership and management in person. At Lancers, we take this subject very seriously as we want our young Lancers to be triumphant in the future. At Lancers Army School, the subject is taught in quite an innovative manner. The young entrepreneurs are demonstrated and acknowledged with the skills of the present day entrepreneurs as to know how they started their journey, how they survived in their journey and made their enterprise successful. The young entrepreneurs are motivated to fulfill their aspirations in life and are motivated through the lives of ones who fulfilled theirs. Entrepreneurial shows like Shark Tank forms a part of the classroom teaching. Games like Logo Quiz lets the young entrepreneurs know about the current brands and motivates them to keep a goal and to achieve a legacy like them. The young entrepreneurs are encouraged to make innovative projects and even their morale is raised to pursue the same as their business in the future. The projects of all our young entrepreneurs are very innovative as they are very aware what are the needs of the world and the same is being reflected in their projects. The wards are taught about the current and upcoming schemes of the government which would benefit them if they pursue their business in the future.